Hey guys, it's makeup tutorial time again.
Okay.
Hey Hotmess fans.
Oh my god.
Yes!
I got bipolar disorder. My shit's not in order. I'm overweight.
Very, very simple. I use this. Camera cut out again. Hey Hotmess fans. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today we're going to be talking about micellar water. I am all done with this one. It's the L'Oreal Skin Expert by Paris Micellar Cleansing Water. As you can tell, I am all done with it. It came in this nice, cool, square kind of packaging. They did have 3 different ones. This one is the waterproof one. They had one that was just a basic, and I believe the other one was for sensitive skin. I did go through this. It didn't take me that long. Not because I had to use the product, but because I used it every day. It does work. It's nothing wrong with it. I think my gripe about this is the pouring out of it. It kind of got everywhere. Like, I don't know what's going on with the stopper or whatnot, because it's just a basic, you know, kind of squeeze out kind of tube. But I find that with my Garnier micellar water, I kind of have to shake it out like a salt shaker, and it seems to be a little controlled. With this one, it seemed like it got everywhere, and I just didn't like it. There was nothing bad about the product itself. I just feel that I was glad that I was done with this so I can go back to the Garnier. So that helps you out. There's no particular smell. There's nothing wrong with it. It's new, and not to mention the price point is like $10 or $12. And my Garnier micellar water, which is the same stuff for waterproof, is about $8.99. And that's kind of reasonable because you do get a lot in there. This one, let's see, they're the same price, or sorry, the same ounces, 13.5. But this one just seemed more expensive. You're paying for the L'Oreal name, and because it was all new, I got it anyway. I'm interested in some of the hydrating moisturizers that they have out there and the masks, but as far as this is concerned, it kind of makes me think, should I even go there? Because although this is alright, should I just stick with what I'm doing and just use my Garnier line, or try something else? Anyway, I probably wouldn't recommend this to a friend. I'd recommend the other one to a friend. I'm not saying this isn't good. I'm just saying that it was meh. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I hope you liked it and it gave you a little heads up about this particular product. If you have any other in-depth questions, you can go ahead and comment below. If not, I will see you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.